Welcome once again. Now we are moving to learning the Yoruba alphabet with words. We want to look at words that start with each of the Yoruba alphabet. So I've written it on the board. Yeah. This is Álúfábẹ, is the alphabet. Then this segment is the oro, that is the words. While this segment is the words in English. I'm making this so that you can as well learn other things, not dogmatically the words that as the alphabet starts them, but I want us to also learn simultaneously some other things like the English words of all these words, English meaning rather of all these words. So let's start. Aja, aja, and the meaning of aja is dog in English. Aja, that is dog. Bata, that is shoe. Dodo, that is fried plantain. Ejo, that is snake. Eja, that is fish. Fila, that is cap. Gele, that is headgear. Baguda, that is cassava, is also called ege. Yeah. Then Hausa, this is not a Yoruba but is a tribe. Hausa tribe. So what happens is there are some words that we don't really have them start words. There are some letters that we don't really have them start words in Yoruba language. They are not common. So that is why I have this Hausa here to represent the He alphabet. So, igi, that is tree. Jagun, that is soldier. Kiniun, Kiniun, that is lion. Labalaba, that is butterfly. Then malu, that is cow. Naira, that is the money we spend in Nigeria. Naira. I intentionally use this so we can easily understand. We also have Nogudu, but I prefer to use this Naira. Naira. Orombo, that is orange. Ogede, that is banana. Pepeye, that is duck. Rakumi, that is camel. Salubata, that is sandal. Shibi, that is spoon. Tábìlì, that is table, table. U, this is no in English. So if you want to say no, you can say Some people will say just according to the area you stay. There's something called èdè àdúgbò in Yoruba language. That is, where you are staying sometimes affects or determines how you pronounce your words. So some people will call this some people will say some people will say but it is no in English. This is the letter U, and in Yoruba it is u. Then you can have uku, but for you to understand easily, that's why I use this. Then we, voila, that is tablet. Yi, nyomu. I know a lot of people will not know nyomu is mosquito, though we also call it a form, but it is also nyomu. So now let us take it out. I won't be taking the English words now. Let's just take the Yoruba, and so it's going to be fluent. So you repeat after me. A ajá, B bàtà, D dòjé, E ejò, E ẹja, F fìlà, G gèlè, B gbàgùdá, I Hausa, I igi, J jagunjagun, K kìnìún, L labalábá, M màlúù, N náírà, O òrombó, O ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀, P pẹ́pẹ́yẹ, R ràkúnmí, S sálúbàtà, Ṣ ṣíbí, T tábìlì, U ùn, W wàhálà, Y yànmùyánmú. So I hope that will help you to know more in this Yoruba language we're talking about. So see you in the next class. Thanks.